I'm Mark Roderick, a senior network engineer at Room & Board. Room & Board is a modern design, American craft furniture retailer. We've been leveraging ThousandEyes for about 5 years within our organization, and the deployment has continued to grow and the integrations have continued to expand. ThousandEyes has allowed us to more effectively troubleshoot issues, share information across teams, and taken down the temperature when we get into those high-pressure troubleshooting scenarios. One of the big visible areas that we've seen recently where ThousandEyes has really helped us is in our adoption of the internet as a transport. For our organization, not only do we leverage the internet for access to cloud-based collaboration tools, but we're also using it as a transport between our branch locations and our private applications. For us, Microsoft Teams is definitely up there. It's how we interact internally when we collaborate and work on problems and solutions and internal design. And it's also how we work with our customers. So when we interact with our virtual design appointments, we're leveraging those same online collaboration tools. We pride ourselves on the relationship and the interactions that we have with customers. When we're working with a customer on a design or on a space, we really want to build that relationship and feel comfortable and help our customer feel comfortable that we're really targeting what they're looking for. One of the biggest challenges that we had when we moved to virtualization was how do we continue to provide that same experience as if a customer was in our showroom, but remotely. So when we do encounter a network outage, whether it be an outage at our branch or one of our core services, one of the things that we first have to do is scope out the problem, right? And fortunately, if we're in a location where we've got a ThousandEyes agent or ThousandEyes visibility, we're able to narrow that down a lot quicker. We're able to take that information then and provide that to our service providers and present what we're seeing and hopefully get an escalation a lot quicker than we would otherwise. One of our guiding principles is be curious, and ThousandEyes has really allowed us to ask questions of why our application experience is the way they are and dig in and work to improve those application experiences for our customers and our employees. We're using our enterprise agents then to monitor our private application stack, like our internal order entry application, our internal business applications, as well as we do also leverage those enterprise agents to monitor pathways to those cloud-based applications. We actually have those running on Cisco routers. We also have several cloud-based agents that we're leveraging for monitoring our services. And we try to monitor all of our application stacks that are critical to our business, whether they're private or public. We then also recently deployed our endpoint agents, roughly 200 or so, to our hybrid workforce so that we're able to start monitoring their experience. Now that we have effectively hundreds of branches, we really need to make sure that that remote workforce is as productive as possible and that their experience is the best that we can provide.